Hey guys, Derek here with the Closet Doctor, and we're in California, and to say it's been hot the last couple of days is an understatement. It's an oven. And so today's improvement at the drawer station, we did some good 3S, and we had some stuff that was on the floor. They took care of that. This open cabinet on the top there with storage had become storage area. I had like 4 pairs of safety glasses and 3 pairs of gloves and all kinds of crap there. So Ron and Daniel 3S that, and then we had this fan right here, right there, sitting on top of this cabinet and in the way. And so our improvement today is we mounted that to the wall and plugged it in, cleaned up the line with a couple of zip ties. And so now when you're working at the drawer station, you can stay cool. And it also actually blows across to this area here when you're working at the edge of the edge bander. That along with our big ceiling fans that we've got in, helping keep the guys a little bit cooler. So this is our garage assembly table, and one of the things we do is for our one-piece flow, we take a look at the plans and we order the cabinets how they're going to go out the trailer. So they're going to come off the table right here, and we're going to roll it right into the trailer. And so we build them in the order that they're going to go in the trailer, so that when we get to the job, that the first cabinet out of the trailer is the first one that's going to go onto the wall. In the past, we didn't do that. We just build all the cabinets. And so it became more important now to have the plans here. Before, you could, with the way our stuff was set up, you could take all the parts and you could build cabinets and just build them and put them everywhere. But Ron needed, so we're doing that. I got to have a set of plans to look at. And so we didn't have a place for it. So he asked for this guy here. This is just a strip that you slide the paper in, and it just slides in and holds it there. So now he's got a space right near the head of the assembly table that we can lay the plans up for the job. He knows what he's doing. So that's his improvement. Got that off of Amazon for a couple of bucks, mounted on the back of that cabinet, and we're good to go. So nice work on that, Ron, and also on the fan, Daniel, making that happen today and making things nice. Good job, guys.